Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today you guys, I have another unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so like I said, another unboxing. I've been ordered this, you guys. I didn't just buy this today or this week. I bought this like a week or two ago. And it's just now getting here. So let me unbox this. But y'all, let me show y'all my little bag. I'm carrying this baby today. Cute, right? Can y'all believe I don't have on black? 2 days in a row. Your girl didn't wear black. She growing up. But this is so cute, right? Anyway, let's unbox. Okay, so let's unbox this. I got this from Madden, you guys. And I had ordered this before I went to the store, okay? Before, and it's not what you think. It is not what you think, okay? And y'all know, like I say, one thing Madden is going to do is what? Give you the look for less. Yes. I want to say this bag was like $128 or something like that. And let's sit that on the floor. This is what I got. This is called the BDiego crossbody in black. And look at it, y'all. Look at it. It's like Balenciaga has a bag like this. It's called the sneaker bag or the sneaker head or something like that. But anyway, y'all, I think this bag is so different. It's so unique. Like, it laces up like, yeah, the proper name is sneakers, but I'm a Southern, y'all. Tennis shoes, okay? Tennis shoes. But it's laced up like some tennis shoes. This is, I love it. I love this. And this bag comes in all pink. It's like all pink, but it's like a darker and a lighter shade of pink. It comes in white, black, and it comes in like black, teal, white, with like a little bit of yellow or lime green. I'm really considering that one, like strong. But I wanted to see how I would like this black one first. Y'all. Oh my goodness. So it has a crossbody detachable. Let's see if it's adjustable. Yes, it is. Adjustable strap. So it has 6 holes in here. I don't know. I don't think I'll use the strap, but so this is how the little hook looks on here. So it has like a little, you see like little D-ring right here. Y'all, this bag is so cute. It is cuter than I thought. I did see it when I went to the store, but they didn't have black. I saw the all white one. Y'all, all white bag, all cream bag. I can't do that, y'all, because I wear too much black and too much dark denim and everything. Oh, look. Oh my God, look at the handle. Look at the handle on here. Y'all, it's like the shoelaces right here. I love it. Now, because of how the handle sits right here, this bag does automatically lean forward slightly. But yeah, this is so edgy and just, and it has Steve Madden right here. It does, is this a back? Yeah, it does have a back slip pocket. It is not the deepest, y'all. My middle finger is as far as it'll go. So that's it. It's not very deep. I'll get my phone in a second and see if my phone will fit. So it still has the covering on the buckle right here. Let's see how you open this. Oh, okay. So it has one of these type of situations. So you just squeeze the side. Okay, so you just squeeze the side and it comes open. So here is how it looks on the inside. There is a back zipper right here. Okay, so this pocket is deep. There's a pocket right here. It is deep. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. It says Steve Madden right here as well. I love this. I love this, y'all. This is the bottom. There are not any feet on the bottom of this bag. I love this. This is so freaking different. So let me tell you who I saw had this bag. Her name is Candace. Her channel name is Lux and Lipstick. She has the Balenciaga version of this bag. And I was like, 325, 27, over $2,000. And I was like, not for a bag that I'm not for sure about. I refuse. I refuse. See, y'all, I allow myself to buy 3 what's called expensive to me bags a year. My birthday, my wedding anniversary, and Christmas. Most of the time I don't, because I don't see anything that I want. But what's expensive to me, in my opinion, okay? Because what's expensive to me might not be to you, okay? But anything over $1,000, I gotta be like, wait a minute, pause, sis. Pause. Because you know your girl go to Coach real quick, and I be living my best happy life, okay? So, before I spend $1,000 on anything, I have to make sure that I really, really like that bag. And it is going to be a forever bag for me, in my personal opinion. So, to only spend $100, $128 or whatever on this, yes, yes. And I'm just as happy. Just as happy. I love, this is so me. This is so me. Because y'all know. Y'all know. Like, I'm a tennis shoe, blue jean, sweatpants kind of girl. Like, for real, every day. So, this, I love it. I absolutely, yes, yes. So, let me adjust the strap, because I'm almost for sure that it's too short. And this is a thin strap as well. Y'all, my contact is, it is worrying me. So anyway, the strap on here is very, very thin. So I don't think I'm going to use it. If I do, I might just swap out the strap. But here we are. Shoulder, and this is on the longest setting. Okay, I just put it on the longest setting. So this is it. And then crossbody now. Okay, I don't know about the handle, because the handle is so high, but if it wasn't for that, this is not bad. This is cute. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the other one. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Do y'all like this? Would y'all rock this? I am in love. She is in love. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Now, like I said, this baby is not going to hold much. Let me get my phone. One moment. Alright, so I have my phone. I am Team Android. The big Galaxy somebody, 20 or whatever. No. Y'all look. Like, that's as deep as it's going standing up. And it will not go sideways. I'm sure my kids at school again, y'all. I'm sorry. But her iPhone, the regular iPhone, I'm sure it'll fit. I'll insert a clip later when she gets home. But yeah, the phone is a no-go. The larger phones, a no-go. I might have to get me some little accessories, y'all. What do y'all think? What do you think? What do you think? Would y'all rock this? Like, this is so me. Like, so me. Oh, I love it. Yes. Excited. And y'all, the laces on here, girl, they functional. You can look. Okay, so you see I untied it, right? Look, the laces are functional. So I wonder, you can change, these are like legit shoelaces. So you can change the shoelaces and have you a whole different bag, sis. You can do pink and lime green or white or orange or, oh, yo. I love it even more. I love it even more. Oh my goodness, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. All right, you guys, so that concludes this little unboxing. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I love it. It's so edgy and everything. I love it. Please make sure that you are subscribed. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.